What happens when you press the WPS button on the router? The device is automatically connected to the wireless network without entering the network password. Connect them to your wireless network by pressing the WPS button on the router and then on those devices. WPS automatically sends the network password, and these devices remember it for future use. Should I press the WPS button on my router? Press the WPS button on the router to establish a connection. Depending on the router and the home configuration, it may take a few minutes to connect. Notes: most routers have a light that flashes while the connection is established. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.